Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create a study planner in Notion step by step in 2026. So you can organize your study schedule, track assignments, and stay focused on your learning goals. A study planner helps you manage your time efficiently, avoid last-minute stress, and keep all your study materials in one place. Notion makes this process flexible and visually clear. Let's start inside your Notion workspace. Create a new page and name it something like Study Planner or Learning Hub. This page will act as your main control center for all study-related activities. At the top, you can add a clean icon or cover image. Keep it minimal to make the planner inviting but distraction-free. Now create a section for subjects or courses. You can make a table database and name the first column Subject or Course. This helps you separate study materials and tasks by topic. Next, create a tasks or assignments section. Add a table database with columns like task, subject, deadline, and status. This lets you track homework, projects, and exam preparation in one place. Now let's add a study schedule section. Use a calendar view linked to your task database to plan study sessions. This way, you can see upcoming deadlines, allocate study time, and avoid cramming. You can also create a notes or resources section. Use toggle blocks or simple text blocks to store summaries, key points, or links to online resource. This keeps all your study materials organized and easy to access. Another helpful tip is to create a daily or weekly focus section. Highlight the most important tasks or study sessions for the day or week. This keeps your workflow focused and prevents overwhelm. Templates are very useful. Once your planner is ready, save it as a template. Each week or month, you can duplicate it for a fresh start without rebuilding everything from scratch. Finally, review your study planner regularly. Update task statuses, check off completed items, and plan ahead for the next study period. Consistency and review make your study planner effective, and that's how to create a study planner in Notion step by step in 2026. If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more Notion tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.